Hey everybody, welcome to this video review about Nerve Fresh. My name is Sophia and I'm here to give you some important information about it and share a crucial alert, so stick with me. I've already left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Well guys, as someone who has dealt with nerve discomfort and has been seeking natural solutions for nerve health, I was really excited to try Nerve Fresh. After using this supplement for a few months, I'm thrilled to share how it has positively impacted my overall well-being. Nerve Fresh has been a game changer for me. It's specifically designed to support nerve health and function, and I've noticed a significant reduction in the discomfort I used to feel. The combination of ingredients works harmoniously to nourish and protect nerve cells, contributing to a more comfortable and balanced feeling overall. One of the most notable benefits of Nerve Fresh is the relief it brings from nerve-related discomfort. I used to experience occasional tingling and sensitivity, but since starting the Nerve Fresh treatment, these symptoms have greatly diminished. The supplement has truly helped me regain a sense of normalcy and ease in my daily life. What I really appreciate about Nerve Fresh is that it uses high-quality natural ingredients in its formula. With a blend of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and herbal extracts known for their nerve-supporting properties, I feel confident that I'm giving my body effective and safe nutrients. The transparency in their ingredient list and the absence of artificial additives further reinforce my trust in the product. Beyond the nerve-specific benefits, Nerve Fresh has also contributed to my overall sense of well-being. I feel more energetic and balanced, and my mood has significantly improved. It's clear that this supplement not only supports nerve health but also promotes a general sense of vitality. Just keep in mind, to see all these results, you have to be consistent and take it every single day. The minimum treatment period is 3 months, but I highly recommend completing the full 6-month treatment. If you follow the treatment correctly and still don't see results, you're protected by a money-back guarantee, meaning they'll return all your money. Now here's an important alert for you. Be sure to buy Nerve Fresh only from the official website. This supplement is not available in drugstores or on other websites, so be very careful. That's why I've left the link just below in the description of this video. This is the only place you can purchase the original Nerve Fresh. On the official website, you'll also find complete information about it, real testimonials from users, the full list of ingredients, and of course, you can safely buy the original product. I really recommend you guys check everything out. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. See you guys around.